Hello everyone, welcome again. Here the video is all about shotgun cartridge anatomy, that is the shotgun projectile detail internal structure, how it is made up of. With me Ujjwala on our channel UM Science. You might have observed variety of shotguns, variety of projectile, variety of its blade. So today the video is all about the internal anatomical structure of this bullet that is called shotgun cartridge. Here there are variety of parts, as you can see over here, as A, B, C, up to variety of parts are there. Outer area, that is the simple covering area, and internally there are many department X section. This section included particular material. Let us see each one in detail one by one. So first let us start with the outermost area, that is called the outer cartridge case. Generally it is to protect the whole cartridge material. It is also a type of waterproofing material, so with the help of which our material can keep inside safe and sober. Then comes at the end bottom portion a small portion that is called percussion cap. It's sometimes made up of copper, brass or steel. This percussion cap is required to conceal the anvil, that is the second portion inside. It is called cap composition anvil. When a firing pin strikes the bullet, it will strike over here, and because of the high pressure, the firing mechanism starts. Then comes the uppermost area where a simple structure of the material is present called pellets. It is generally the main burning material which can release too much pressure, and this type of tiny projectile will create much harm and injuries in the material where it was fired. At the bottom, just after the anvil portion, there is a powder material. This powder material can be for the starting primer. It is also called primer as it starts the firing, and then it will move to the upward forward side. In between over here you can see a simple plate like structures are there. This is called wads. The wads are simply just to keep each and every portion and material at their own place, so it could not be mixed or do not disturb each other. Then after, the middle portion is also there, is called cushion wad. Here the cushion wad is simply for protection purpose, because when the burning start of the down powder, that is the black powder and other composition, it will create very high pressure, and because of this high pressure it should not be get out, and it should not be released in such a way that it disturb the whole barrel of the firearm as well as the cartridge. That's why to keep it safe and secure, the cushion wad is given. This will situate the pressure in such a way that the firing mechanism will fulfill successfully. At the end bottom portion you can see over here the internal steel strip is there to support, as well as the brass base is also there. So at the end of the whole cartridge a simple covering is being given. So this is the whole internal structure about the cartridge of the shotgun. Internally there is a simply wad is also given, that is called base wad. This is just to pressurize the powder and help the powder not to release and disturb from its original place. So this is how variety of structure and departments are there inside the cartridge of shotgun. So that is all about our video. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and comment if you like the content, and subscribe without fail. Keep watching, keep sharing with others. I have also prepared too many videos related to variety of firearm and variety of bullets. You can get the link in the description box as well as in the I button. Thank you.